this is Chinmayi. Welcome, and today I am actually shooting from New Jersey. I actually went and bought some products from Ulta Beauty nearby. So let me take you right into the first product, which is the Tangle Teezer hairbrush. This was at an offer today, so I picked this up. I always wanted one. My hair's freshly washed, so let me take you right in. Hi, this is Chinmayi and I am shooting from the US of A. This is Chinmayi and this is a test shoot. We are checking out this Tangle Teezer and this is my opinion how I Okay, so what they say about the Tangle Teezers, this is actually pretty iconic. I think as iconic as a beauty blender with regard to detangling your hair, especially when it's wet. So this is also something that you can use in the shower, and I'm sure this is like silicone bristles, and it comes in two levels in this brush at least, and you can use this in your shower while you want to. You can apply conditioner and then use it to spread all over your hair. They also claim that this works beautifully on really thick and curly hair as well. Of course, I am not the person who can give you an opinion on that. I'm just going to be running this through my hair, which if you have been following this channel long enough is fine and thin and delicate. What I do like while I'm brushing my hair with this one is that this seems to give a nice, it feels nice against the scalp. It's I think it's vigorous enough to give it a sort of the kind of a brush that's required to get the blood flowing again, and I see why this is called a detangling brush. It's really good. I've actually wanted to, and so far I've had one hair that's been taken down by this brush. I usually have, I usually use my fingers to free the tangles on my hair. My hair usually tangles pretty easily as well. So in addition to being fine and not having so much body, it also tangles. So yay, what a great thing. Okay. All right, so it looks like I have about 7 to 10 strands of hair that's been taken down by the brush so far, but yeah, I think if I had to run my fingers through my hair, would I lose the same amount of hair? Yeah, perhaps, or maybe not, you never know. So this might be something that I've actually wanted to buy a Tangle Teezer for the longest time, and this is the hairbrush version. You usually have the cult favorite, the palm version, which you just run through your hair and stuff like that. Perhaps this could also work if you oil your hair regularly and use this to kind of evenly distribute the oil through your strands. You can actually ask me, you have your hands for it, so why do you need a brush? But well, just an option, just in case, because some of us are not good with even distribution of the oil, especially when we are doing this hair masking with oil, let's say coconut oil or castor oil and stuff. Something like this might work. So this is something that I really like, and if you haven't used the Tangle Teezer before, I think it is iconic for a reason. And as I said, one of the best things that I do like about this brush is that it gives my scalp, it seems to get the blood flowing, you know, it should be pretty good, especially in the shower. This would really work for me, and this I like, and this is my opinion about the Tangle Teezer. And until I see you in my next video, this is Chinmayi saying bye-bye.